Ever wish you could transform your look in the time that takes to brew your morning coffee? Well, today is your lucky day. In just 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to go from a bad face to glam face effortlessly. Stick around as we fast track to fabulous with some makeup magic. I'm going to set a 5-minute timer on my phone and we're going to beat the clock together. This challenge is all about achieving a beautiful look in record of time. I hope I can make it before the time goes off. And that's the time to start a race against time. Remember, when you are in a rush, prepare everything you need before starting. And try to choose the products that are light and easily blended into your skin. This is also a time-saving trick. That is why I'm applying this lifesaver sunscreen. With just a few dabs on the face, you will have that flawless look. Now, to give that fresh color to my face, I'm using this red tint. Smile and apply it to the apples of your cheeks. Then blend it quickly for a natural flush. Now I'll repeat everything on the other side of my face. The same product goes to the lips for creating a balanced color on the look. This tint is also perfect for a hint of color on the eyes. You just need to apply it at the back of your eyelids, blending into the crease for a subtle defining shadow. It's amazing how one product can elevate the entire face. We've added warmth and dimension to our look in seconds. Moving on to the eyes, we're going for maximum impact with minimal effort. Before applying mascara, use an eyelash curler to give your lashes a lift. We just need a simple mascara with a couple of strokes on the lashes. As you apply the mascara, wiggle the band at the base of your lashes to add volume and avoid clumps. At the end, don't forget to brush your eyebrow hairs upward for a clean look. I'm done! Here's the final look. It's simple, natural, I've only used 3 products. And just like that, we've defied the clock and created a stunning look in a flash. With only 3 products and a simple spoolie brush, we've proven that beauty can be both effortless and elegant. Thank you for joining me in this speedy beauty adventure. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more beauty tricks. And tell me, what do you think about this type of makeup? It only takes 5 minutes. Thank you so much for watching.